Good afternoon, my awesome people. God bless you. I'm showing you a video, a short clip of a video, so you know what to look for when you're looking for a tax professional to prepare your taxes. And of course, here at Almirante Insurance, we do tax preparation and consultations. I am an enrolled agent of the IRS. I have been for the last 11 years, and I am an insurance agent for the last 22 years. So before you're gonna do your taxes next time, make sure you look at this video so you can look out at the things that it's like an alert.
I'm Terry, and I work for the Internal Revenue Service. Tax preparers see a lot of personal information from their clients. If you pay someone to do your taxes, know that most preparers are honest and trustworthy, but each year we see taxpayers who suffer financially because they made a poor choice of tax preparer. So here are some tips to help you choose. First, find out about their qualifications. What is their training? Do they keep up with the latest changes by taking continuing education classes? And do they have a professional license? Enrolled agents, certified public accountants, and attorneys have met substantial proficiency requirements. The IRS has an online directory to help you research qualified tax return preparers. It includes those who have a professional credential or have voluntarily taken continuing education as part of the IRS annual filing season program. Next, be wary of anyone who promises you a bigger tax refund before even looking at your records, or someone who wants you to sign a blank or unfinished tax return, or offers to deposit your refund into their bank account. You should also make sure the preparer you choose offers IRS e-file. And definitely refuse to use a preparer who does not sign their name and enter a preparer tax identification number on your final tax return. That's a major clue that something's not right. As you make your decision about a return preparer, keep in mind that only attorneys, CPAs, and enrolled agents have unlimited representation rights. That means they can represent you before the IRS in all matters, including audits, collection, and appeals. Other preparers without credentials, but who participate in the annual filing season program, have limited representation rights and can only represent you in limited situations. In general, tax return preparers not listed in the IRS directory may prepare your tax return, but will not be able to represent you with the IRS if there are problems after your return is filed. No matter who you choose to help with your tax return, remember, you are legally responsible for all the information on your tax return. To find out more, go to irs.gov/chooseataxpro.
Hello, my awesome people. Hope everyone is fine and healthy and safe. I have some IRS news and here un poco de todo, a little bit of everything. With Betty Almirante, I have some IRS news. Hello, my awesome friends. Hope everyone is fine. And I have some very important IRS news. Stay tuned. We have IRS news, Taxpayers' Right, Bill of Rights, the rights to be informed. It's very important that you're aware of your rights. The Taxpayer Bill of Rights is a cornerstone documented that highlights the 10 fundamental rights for you. Taxpayers have been dealing with the Internal Revenue Service. The IRS wants every taxpayer to be aware of these rights. They're very important rights. The IRS continues to publicly highlight you have a right to be informed. Taxpayers have the right to know what they need to do to comply with the tax laws. They are entitled to clear explanation of the laws and IRS procedures in all tax forms, instructions, publications, notices, and correspondence. They have the right to be informed of IRS decisions, about their tax accounts and they receive clear explanation in the mail. They never call, they never, that no one is going to call you from the IRS. So if you receive a call, it's a scam. They always notify you via mail. In some rare cases, they email you, but you'll know if it's a scam or not because where it comes from. What can you expect? Certain notices must include the amount, if any, of the tax, the interest, and certain penalties you owe. It must explain why you owe this amount. And when the IRS fully or partially disallows you to claim for a refund, it must explain specifically the reason why. Help understanding your IRS notice of the letter. It's available on the irs.gov. Usually when you receive a letter, if you go to irs.gov and then you register and all that, it explains kind of what the letter is about and etc. If the IRS proposes to access tax against you, it must explain the process. If the IRS proposes to access tax against you, it must be explained by mail, the process from examination like an audit through collection in its first letter. This letter should explain your options for a review by an independent office of appeal and how the taxpayer advocate service may be able to help you. If you enter a payment plan, known as an installment plan, like a monthly payment, the IRS must send you an annual statement every year. This gives you a record of balances and the payments that you already made. You can access your current and prior years IRS forms and publications in irs.gov. You can also request to order them at the 1-800-829-3676. Again, 1-800-829-3676. The IRS also uses several social media tools that provides helpful tax information to a broad audience. You can find IRS on Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and irs.gov. IRS To Go, the free mobile that you can download in your mobile phone. IRS To Go. And that would get you the information like where's your refund and things like that. To find out more about it and what it means, you can visit www.taxpayersadvocate.irs.gov. The IRS offers the publication one with your rights as a taxpayer in several languages: English, Spanish, Chinese, Korean, Russian, Vietnamese, and other languages. By making these important publications available in multiple languages, the IRS hopes to increase the number of Americans who know and understand their rights under the tax laws. The IRS has more tax information in other languages too. See the languages menu on irs.gov page. The IRS also is committed to protecting taxpayers' civil rights. The IRS will not tolerate discrimination at all based on age, color, disability, race, reprisal, national origin, English proficiency, religion, sex, sexual orientation, or status as a parent. This includes any contact with the IRS employees and the staff or volunteers at community sites. If the taxpayer faces discrimination, they can send a written complaint letter to the IRS Civil Rights Division, and they'll be able to help you. Additional IRS resources that you can find in irs.gov is what the Taxpayer Bill of Rights means to you. Taxpayer Advocate Service, Publication 556, Examination of Returns, Appeals, Rights, and Claims for the Refund. Forms and publications about your appeals and your rights. Publication 594, the IRS Collection Process. IRS Freedom of Information. If you have any questions, you contact www.irs.gov. If you have any questions, you could put them in comments and I'll be happy to answer them accordingly. And if you liked the video, and if you did enjoy the video and the information is useful to you and helpful, please give me a like and comment. And if you have any questions, just comment. And remember, at Almirante Insurance and Tax Services, we are able to help you. I'm an enrolled agent, and so I have the license, the professional license, and the abilities to help you with your taxes. Thank you. We're here located in the Woodlands, Texas. Thank you. God bless you.